Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm talking to you about jade rollers and why you should be using rollers for your face. Now, there are different stones that you could use. I know that the rose quartz is out there, and then this one is a jade roller from Lemongrass Spa, which I have really been on to lately. So I'm going to demonstrate for you how to use the jade roller and why should we even be rolling our faces. So this is kind of like an exercise for your face, and it really stimulates blood circulation. So if you notice, like when you go to the gym and afterwards you just kind of have that pumped up like glow, and it's because you have stimulated all those endorphins and you are just, the blood is circulating good through your body. So it's just really getting through to all of those muscles, all of those cells, and it just makes you look like supercharged and glowy, and you look good. So you're gonna get the same benefit whenever you roll your face. So this can be done on, like first thing in the morning. And what I really like to do is use it with my serums. I feel like it really helps to just push them in more, and I feel like it helps them go on better and absorb more. So I'm going to demonstrate for you, and I'm using the Organic Anti-Aging Oil Serum. This is not sponsored. I am just sharing with you what I've been using lately. Okay, it doesn't want to focus. So this is the Organic Anti-Aging Oil Serum. So first of all, let me say that organic is important for many reasons, but when you're putting anything on your face, you don't want there to be chemicals that were treated in any of the oils that are incorporated in your serums. So let me just say that when I went to the Lemongrass Spa party at my sister-in-law's house, I was not even going to buy anything. I literally just was going to go out of courtesy, and when I sat down and opened the catalog, I noticed that this one serum, which is this right here, it had very similar ingredients to another serum that I had purchased a long time ago, and it was $185 for 1 ounce serum. And it is a wonderful serum, if you know the one that I'm talking about. I don't want to say what it is because I don't want to make that company mad, but let me just say that they use so many oils, and it's just a mix of just really good superpower superfoods. And this serum reminded me a lot of that serum, and it was a fraction of the price, and it's for 1 ounce. So I ordered it just right off the bat, and this is already, I'm on my second bottle of this. So I just really love it, and I'm not pushing it. I'm just demonstrating for you how to use the jade roller with a serum. You can use any serum that you want. You could even use, if you don't have serums and you want to do one that's just as effective as a serum, you could use olive oil, you could use coconut oil, you could just emulsify it with your fingers, make it warm. You can use avocado oil, you can use any kind of oil, or you can mix all those together. And I just pump it out, and I'm gonna apply it to my face. And my neck. And then I like to put the excess on my backs of my hands. And then I'm going to go in with the jade roller, and they have a dual-ended roller. This is the smaller side, and I usually do this for my under eyes. So usually, and this is so good if you cool it in the refrigerator or the freezer for a few seconds, or a few minutes, not a few seconds, a few minutes. And I just go back and forth, not back and forth, I just go like toward the outer part I don't want to go this way because I'm scared it'll make wrinkles. So I just go back and forth, and then I'm only going to do one side of my face just to show you what it really does. And then I do go back and forth on this part. It just feels so good. And then I'm going to take the larger part and I'm going to roll and then you can go up and down motions at your cheek, your jaw area. And you might find that it will turn your face red in the areas that you're working, and that's completely normal. It's fine. It's the blood that's circulating through. So I'm using this to push that serum and work that serum into my skin so that it can absorb it better. When I get to my forehead, I'm just going in up and down short strokes. And then you can even go like this. And then like for areas by your nose, if you wanted to do the shorter part, you can. You can even go on the side of your nose. This is the side that's been rolled. And then for your neck, you could just this is also really great. I did not mention this, but it also improves the lymphatic drainage. So if you know your face, there are so many muscles, there are so many of your sinus cavities and all of that. So whenever you're doing this, you're stimulating that lymphatic drainage, and that alone is super good. So I feel like this side, definitely you can see a difference from this side. This is more woken up. It looks lifted. Like I'm looking in the monitor and there's a huge difference between this side, which looks to me puffy and inflamed, and this side looks more toned. And I promise you it is from the effects of rolling. You see it for yourself. So I just love this. It doesn't matter really what brand you choose, but I love the Lemongrass Spa products. Everything that I've tried so far, I've wanted to only like the serum, and I'm blown away by the product ingredients and the packaging, the organic, and then the ingredients that they use. It's just top notch. And I've fallen in love with like the charcoal facial polish, the charcoal mask. There's a pedicure. If you just want to give yourself a little pedicure or just make your feet feel better, I get a bowl and I put in, there's these granules of salt that they give you for step 1. Step 2 is a walnut scrub. So you take your feet out, you put the scrub all over, it gets rid of those dead skin cells. And then the final step after you rinse your feet is peppermint balm that you put on your feet. And oh my gosh, for winter especially, really at any time, I mean, this stuff, it's so good. So I'm fascinated by all of the Lemongrass Spa products. I really love that they carry the Jade Roller, and I wanted to just demonstrate for you how to use a roller on your face and in any format that you want to buy it, it's definitely a top product that I use. In all my skincare, that's like the first step every morning. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Oh, and a giveaway, cannot forget that. So all you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe, and I will choose a few of the lucky people who do that. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I appreciate you. Have a great weekend. Bye.